Fuck niggers, homie. Any nigger that pass by right here, we fucking shoot those motherfuckers. Kill them motherfuckers, dog. That's the hood right there. No one wants to fuck with this hood.
I hated black people. I hated them.
We don't give a fuck. This is our hood. This is our hood. Anyone who steps in here and wants to fuck with us, this is ours right here. This whole place is ours. We roll everywhere we control. We control everywhere we fucking roll. Anyone who fucking rolls down here, fucking blast those motherfuckers. This is our hood, homie. You don't want to fuck with our hood.
No one comes through here and disrespects the barrio.
Any motherfucker that's black, fucking blast those motherfuckers. Kill blacks. Kill blacks. It's all about that brown.
With no hesitation, we start the process of elimination. We ain't bullshit, slapping that clip in my cuete, cause I can smell the muerte in the aire. That's why I keep a tight grip on my nueves with them westing. And it's like a sin, you gotta keep caution while we on a mission. 47 tripping, hollow point, cat filling. And my blue racks still hanging and we still gang banging. Dope slanging, my intention is that it's beyond the average man. I carry down my ambitions and my missions with my ammunition. Between you and I, they say them 18s is shady, cause we quit the cause agony at our enemies. Sooner or later, I finally end up in a cemetery. I got nothing to lose and everything to gain in this game called life. Keeping the with the vibe on my side. This is the way the gangsters survive. Extended clip in my 9-lit and 9 bullets fly. Rivals die in the 666 G's multiply. It's so hectic, it's why I pack a credit. Try to triple X's, got me living by my 29s. Till the day that I DIE when all my enemies get to RIP. Shit is so hectic, it's why I pack a credit. Try to triple X's, got me living by my 29s. Till the day that I DIE when all my enemies get to RIP. We in these last days at the end of time. Try to triple X's, got me losing my mind. Now as I look to my left and look to my right, I see a little blue there, but with both of my sides. One telling me to hustle, the other to ride. With a cuenta by my side. Late at night in the golden mud, so you can hear the devil telling me when I parole to make these bottles fly. To red rum every day in my life. This shit ain't right. I think I'm sick in the mind, cause I'm evil all the time. Or maybe I'm corrupt, they got up in the mix. Trying to make $1 out of 18 cents. It makes no sense if your bottles that don't gang bag and strive and rock just to survive. This shit ain't a lie for robberies. The pistol whipping enemies in the alley. It ain't about a salary, it's so